This is a species of shade-loving weed that is called Phaulopsis, Phaulopsis. And this Phaulopsis species, quite a few are there in India. Phaulopsis imbricata, and then quite a few others are there. I can write one or two names in the videos. I have covered two of them in the wild, and then this one in our herbal garden. Trying out, and it's a very nice plant, and easy to grow also. It does very well in balconies, and then it has a kind of a hanging outlook, and these long branches come like this. It spreads sideways. It's not much into climbing straight up, and it goes on the ground like this, like that, and it nodes in the nodes it roots also. So from cuttings itself you can make new plants, and if a nice population is established, they'll multiply on their own. And it's a item that it's a species that grows in quite heavily canopied places on the ground, in farm sites, and then neglected places, orchards and all, in many of the better protected areas. But in Bangalore and all, I have never seen it so far. It must have been there at one time, but it is gone now. And it comes very well, it grows very well, very versatile, hardy plant. And these cows and all herbivores love to eat it. Humans also eat, it seems. Though in India I didn't hear much about it. In other countries they are using it. The flowering structure is very interesting and beautiful. So the individual flowering pods, if you see, so from the underneath it looks like this. That flowering pod is this one, this flowering part, and in each of these one flower will come like that, and then seeds are formed and all. So it's quite beautiful if you look at it closely. It's a charming little thing, and it's a good companion plant in bigger, when you're having bigger pots with some larger thing going. It will stay very nicely in the sides of the pot and hang downwards, and it sucks up extra water. And maybe some 10-20 species and all, maybe there all over India, variations of this one. So this is that Phaulopsis imbricata most probably, and it's a culinary and then nice undershrub. And a single plant can send out long sideway branches that spread on the ground, and wherever opportunity is there, it will root off there. And if this part is broken, new shoots will come. So it's a lovely plant, worth keeping in the balcony and all.